Let's talk about the noises that we make during sexual activity. You know, the moans, the groans, the screaming, the shouting. Maybe you're silent, but I've been with people myself, some of whom have been so loud that I thought they were going to wake up the neighborhood, albeit in my much younger years. And I remember feeling quite embarrassed about that. And I know sometimes I can feel quite embarrassed about the noises that I make, especially if I feel I'm being a little bit too noisy. But of course, making noise during sex is a way that you can show your appreciation for your partner, right? Let them know that actually things are feeling really good. Sometimes when people are too silent, I wonder, are they even having fun? Are they enjoying this? So noises are a normal part of sexual activity, but making somebody feel bad about them isn't great and isn't going to bring you closer to your partner. Laughing about it, yes, sometimes we can laugh about the noises because, let's face it, they can sometimes be funny. But all I'm trying to say is that noises are normal. So if you want to scream and shout, let it out. You know, it's a way to say, wow, this feels great.